Try to untangle all these triangular triangles. Now Maybelline scaling is unusual.
Okay, great. Today we are watching epic videos on Epic and making fun of them. And my username is %username% because I'm a nerd. What is... Oh, boy. Oh, I forgot how bad these were. Oh, this one. Okay, fine, this one. Let's do it. Superpower vegetables? I haven't even seen this one before. Hold on.
Superman something, flying in to save the day, faster than a speeding...
That's not what Superman looks like. You know that, right? You know what Superman... Can you not use his thing because he's copyrighted thing? What is this? Superpower vegetables.
How did he get that way? Superpower. For my skin, my hair, my muscles, my...
You're telling me that Superman got his powers by eating vegetables? Pausing to contemplate that. We all know Superman's origin story, and this is definitely not it. If you don't know Superman's origin story, then look it up. By the way, we're on a different computer today just because.
Even Superman is a vegetable fan. 100 miles an hour with peas and cauliflower. Whoa. Superpower vegetables.
So they're basically just getting you to eat vegetables by saying about them, and apparently Superman eats vegetables. They're scamming you. They're promising you things. They're tricking you into eating vegetables.
Wonder Woman loves adventure. Her power comes with ease. 'Cause when it's time for dinner, she says, I'll have spinach, please. Superpower vegetables. For my skin, my hair, my muscles, my...
Also not Wonder Woman's origin story.
My eyes, my bones. For my skin, my hair, my muscles, my eyes, my bones. Have no fear, Wonder Woman makes her veggies disappear. You better look quick, there'll be no more carrot sticks. Whoa. Superpower vegetables. The superpowers. Strong muscles, awesome bones, healthy teeth. The superheroes. That's you. The mission. Nutrition. The threat. Superheroes not getting enough spinach, peas, cauliflower, and carrots. The battle cry. Superpower vegetables. For my skin, my hair, my muscles, my eyes, my bones.
This is so stupid. Yes, these ones. These ones are just horrible. Really horrible CGI.
Come over here, behind the boxes. I'm hiding from the multiplication and division symbols. They want to play with me really badly, but sometimes I just don't understand them. They want to play tag with me, but let's face it, division can be really rough, and I am not joking. Maybe you guys can help me learn more about the relationship between multiplication and division. Will you help me?
Sure, fine.
Thanks. Wait, did you hear that? Are they nearby? Uh-oh. Ow. Bad girl. Ugh.
So, multiplication and division talk in the same voice.
Multiplication and division are not as hard as they look.
If you think this video is horribly made, then you're breathing right now.
Multiplication is like repeated addition, division is like repeated subtraction.
Yes.
Here we have two math problems that are already completed. 3.
So basically, it's just really horrible CGI. A bit worried about getting copyrighted, but I don't think they have. Oh, keep, change, flip. Some of them are good, some of them are horrible, and some of them are just in between. No, not replay video. Just notice there's like a thing in the middle, like a little.
To divide by a fraction, here's a 10. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a
X's in their ears.
10. Keep, change, flip. To divide 1/2 by 1/6. Keep, change, flip. 1 times 6 is 6 and 2 times 1 is 2. It's an improper fraction, so we're not through. Divide 6 by 2 and the quotient is 3. Keep, change, flip. It's all that you need to divide by a fraction. Here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction. Here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide 2/5 by 1/5. Keep, change, flip. 2 times 5 is 10, and 5 times 1 is 5. It's an improper fraction, so you need to divide. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. When we divide by fractions, this is what we do. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip.
Change, flip.
Keep, change, flip may seem to work magically, but it can be explained mathematically. With the number 10, we can divide by 2, and that will leave 5 in each group. Or we can find that 5 through a different path by multiplying 10 by 2 flip to 1/2. It's the trick that never fails called keep, change, flip. It's real magic, so use this tip.
I thought you said it wasn't net, and now you just conjured this lady.
Understand with these problems we love, because we know division means has how many groups of.
Let's explore that thought. How many groups of fourths does 1/2 got? 2 fourths fit into 1/2 perfectly, and we found the quotient mentally. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip.
How do you do
Keep,
that?
change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip. To divide by a fraction, here's a tip. Keep, change, flip.
And we fade out. Number rock. Let's rock math. I would prefer not to. 5 skip counting song. Long multiplication. As of regular multiplication. I have an idea. Let's make multiplication harder. The metric system. Also capacity. Capacity is horrible.
Kilo,
100.
hecto,
10 is decameters. 1/10.
deci,
100.
centi,
1,000 is millimeters. 1 decameter is 10 meters. 1 hectometer is 100 meters. 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. And here is how we remember 1,000.
kilo,
100.
hecto,
10 is decameters. 1/10.
deci,
100.
centi,
1,000 is millimeters. 1 decimeter's 1/10 of a meter. 100th is a centimeter. 1 millimeter's
capacity. This one is horribly animated and looks like it's from 2005. The animation is about as good as the Furby movie from 2005. And I have nothing against the Furby movie. They were still working on computer-guided animation back then, and plus it's Furbies. How can you go wrong with a movie about Furbies? Although I do admit they could have done it better. Number Rock. Look at this. Look at this. That font. You know what that font is? That's the same font in
Johnny, Johnny,
Yes, Papa.
eating sugar?
No, Papa. You know, that.
1 gallon split into 4s is 4 quarts. Take that and divide by 2 and you got a pint. Split that pint up into halves and make a cup. And that cup will fit 8 fluid ounces inside of it.
1 gallon is 4.
Look at that. Her arm is like. Arms don't do that.
Or 8 pints or 16 cups.
Take a look at
Or 4 cups or 32 fluid ounces. Or 16 fluid ounces.
These are just like a bunch of old people desperately trying to use computer. They're basically just a bunch of old people very desperately trying to use Blender, failing at it, and also trying to be cool and failing at that as well.
A gallon of milk split in 4s makes 4 quarts. Split a quart of milk in half, then a pint is what you'll have. Which can make 2 cups you see often when you drink your school milk carton. If you can drink the milk in 8 sips, each is about an ounce going through your lips.
8 sips of milk. That is a very little amount of milk.
Or 8 pints or 16 cups. Or 4 cups or 32 fluid ounces. Or 16 fluid ounces.
I mean, we are learning from this. We're learning how not to use Blender.
Volume is a word that's familiar, and capacity and volume are similar. And though it's easy to assume, capacity's not exactly volume.
Okay, great. Hold on, I need to take a look at my screen recorder to see how much time I have. Actually, you know what? Never mind. This will be the last video.
Capacity is how much something can hold. The amount is always the same. Volume's the measure of what's inside, and that amount can change. Or 8 pints or 16 cups. Or 4 cups or 32 fluid ounces. Or 16 fluid ounces.
Let's rock math. Great. Number rock. Much is a lot of much fun. A lot of fish. Fun fish.